Gooding & Company is privileged to present this 1937 Bugatti Type 57 SC Atalante for its Pebble Beach auctions, among the most important, desirable, and spectacular Bugattis ever created by the revered Molsheim firm. The last of just 17 examples built with Jean Bugatti-designed Atalante coachwork, this supercharged low-chassis Atalante was displayed at the 1937 Paris Salon de l'Automobile and the Earl's Court Motor Show that year, then delivered new to notable Bugatti enthusiast Ian Craig. Having undergone a recent exquisite restoration overseen by marque specialist Sargent Metalworks, this Bugatti still retains its original chassis, coachwork, and matching numbers engine. Awarded first in class at the 2023 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, this Type 57 SC Atalante is a showstopper in every regard.